Fix or replace. Signs it may be time to replace your air conditioner. Deciding whether to repair or replace your air conditioner can be a tough decision. Here are some signs that it may be time to replace your AC. 1. If your AC is older than the standard lifespan of 10 to 15 years, it might be time to replace it. 2. If you're calling for repairs frequently, you may need to invest in a new unit. 3. A significant increase in your energy bills could be a sign that your AC is working harder than it should to keep you cool. 4. If your AC isn't producing cool air, it might indicate that the unit is no longer functional. When considering whether to repair or replace your air conditioner, it's a good idea to consult with a licensed HVAC professional. For expert AC installation services in Naples, Florida, contact Romeo Air at 23923711518.